What's up, guys? I got a super awesome scan tool I want to share with you guys today. It's the new Launch 123E. So let's go take a look at this thing, let you guys check it out. Let's see what's in the box, and I'll tell you what's good about it. So right after this. All right, guys. The mailman just left. He just dropped off this brand new launch scan tool. This is the 123E. This bad boy is $179 off of Amazon. There's no secret that I love launch scan tools. We have a lot of scan tools here at the shop. Wally's got the Snap-on Solus, I believe is what it is, or Modus, I'm not sure. I don't know. It's one of the two, I can't remember. And I got the old trusty CRP123 by Launch, and I love this scan tool. It's, in my opinion, one of the very best scan tools for the money. As you can see, it's had a lot of wear, tear, rough, and abuse put on it, and this thing's still going like a tank. I also have the Bosch Evolve. It's a nice scan tool. But for the money, I believe Launch is the leader of the market. So when the 123E come out, I just wanted to give it a try because, man, for the money, these things are really hard to beat. So let's get in here, let's take a look at these things. I'll show you what's in the box, and we'll talk about what it's supposed to do. All right, guys, this is the first time I've opened the box. All I did was pull off the package and paper and stuff that was around it. So you're gonna see it when I do. So let's take a look at the back of the box first. You can see the features here: full coverage, domestic, Asian, European vehicles. 1996 and newer OBD2, read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, automatic transmission, ABS, airbags, all that. It does have touchscreen, Wi-Fi updates. Here's a lot of technical gizmo gurus if you're into that. But more importantly, let's get in this thing. I'll show you what it does. Here's what the front of it looks like. It's got a picture of the scan tool, and I want to compare the size of it versus the CRP123. So let's crack this bad boy open and see what's in here. Wow, it's even on. I don't know if you can see the green light or not, but this bad boy is ready to use. It's good to go. As you can see, let me get it out of here. It is definitely powered on, or got the green light on for some reason. But you can see it is quite a bit larger than the CRP123. It does have the same cable port on the top of it like the CRP123, but it is quite a bit larger and quite a bit thicker. Like I say, this is the 123E model, and in the box it's got some of these little packets you're not supposed to eat, so don't eat them. And it comes with a Launch carrying case. That's one thing I do like about Launch. They usually have the carrying cases that come with their products, and those are usually pretty nice to use. It'll keep them from getting beat up as bad as like this one, as you see. The only negative that I can say about Launch is most of the time you can't put them in the carrying case with a cord on it, but that's a small thing to fuss about. So let me go ahead and put the cord on here, because once I put the cord on my scan tools, that's where they stay till they meet their great demise and go to the electronics graveyard somewhere in the back corner of heaven. They never come apart again. So y'all witnessed it get put on, and that's where it'll stay to the end of forever. And inside the carrying case will probably be a charging cord, if I had to guess. Yep. So there it is, and the booklet that comes with it. So let's run over some of the things that this scan tool is supposed to do. All right. This is the launch CRP123E. It does a 4-system test, which is engine, transmission, ABS, and supplemental restraint system, or better known to the plain old guy as an airbag. It reads fault codes and displays diagnostic trouble codes, and it also records them. You can do live data or you can freeze frame data. It does have a code search inside it. You can clear all fault memory and memory codes it's stored. Like I say, you can do the live data stream by value, graph, or combine them. You can mark normal and unnormal lines on the graph in a different color. So that's pretty cool with this tool. It generates diagnostic trouble reports, which marks the normal and unnormal car model as different colors, and you can even send it to your customer via email, which is super awesome. If you got a picky customer that's having trouble and they don't really want to spend the money to fix their car, you can show them with a live data graph that you can take a screenshot of and then send them the report. It does check the powertrain control module, or PCM. It does malfunction indicator lights, diagnostic trouble codes. It does real-time battery voltage. You can do a drive cycle on it through the OBD2, like I say, freeze frame data, fuel trims. It does a lot of misfire codes and comprehensive components. It also does EGR systems, O2 sensors, catalyst evap systems, O2 sensor heaters, secondary air injections, heated catalyst, and several other tests. It is a 5-inch touchscreen, 4,000 milliamp battery. It is an Android-based tablet, and it's all updatable via Wi-Fi. It does have a full 5-year warranty that's offered by launch. It does have a 60-day return policy if you don't damage it. And they offer a 7-day-a-week, 24 hours a day helpline, and you can also email them at an email address if you don't want to talk to them on the phone. They do support 9 different languages, so if you don't speak English, you're not understanding what I'm saying anyway. But they also have Spanish, French, German, Italian, Russian, Japanese, Korean, and Portuguese. So they pretty much got you guys covered. But if you're watching this video, you're pretty much going to need the English button. But anyway, let's get to talking about some of the vehicles this thing's supposed to work on. It does all pretty much foreign and domestic. There's a whole long list of them. I'm not going to cover them, but I will tell you that it covers pretty much everything made in America. It does Honda, Daewoo's, Kias. I'm going to go through some of the oddball ones. Saabs, Skoda, S-K-O-D-A. I don't know. That's not here. I've never seen one. Hope I don't have to work on one because I wouldn't know where to start. Mini Coopers, BMWs, Rolls-Royce. Yes, this does a Rolls-Royce. $179 scanner can read your Rolls-Royce. So if you're looking for a alternate scan tool instead of carrying it to a Rolls-Royce dealer, spend $179 free shipping off Amazon and get you one of these bad boys right here. It does Peugeots. I've actually drove a Peugeot before, believe it or not. Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagens, Bentleys. There you go, guys. If you own a Bentley, work on it yourself. Save the money. You spend all the money in the car, save the money by your scan tool. That's the breed of Bentley. Jaguar, Land Rover, and it does all kind of stuff. Like, you pretty much name it, it does it. It does the Nissans and Lincolns and Fords and Chevys, and that's what we're going for. All right, guys, I plan on hooking this thing up to the Wi-Fi. We're going to get it updated. We're going to get it set up. We're going to get it ready to use. Then I want to do a video comparing this versus this. Is it worth the difference in money? $179. You wouldn't expect much for a scan tool, but I'm going to be honest with you guys. If this will do with this wheel or even more, it's an unbelievable tool for the money. Now that I've got my own shop, we do a lot more than just diesels, even though the name of it's Diesel Medic. We've been working on a lot of stuff, from a Honda Accords to Tahoes to ambulances. We worked on some Ford Transits. I mean, it's crazy what's been coming in here, but we're not going to turn it down because we need the business. So here is what we're going to be looking at. We're going to try this thing out. We're going to compare this against the other launch tool. We're going to compare it against the Bosch Evolve. We're going to compare it against the Snap-on. Now, granted, you shouldn't expect this tool to do what this tool will do. There's a huge difference in money between the two tools. Will it be comparable? I don't know. I'll let you guys know. This is way, way cheaper than this, and it's way, way cheaper than the Snap-on. I believe that this right here should do about 80% of the stuff that we're gonna need to do in the shop. I will let you guys know, and we'll see how it works. But be watching for some other videos on the launch tool. If you guys have some launch tools, let me know what you think about them, because I love this thing, like, love it. This is actually gonna take up space in my personal pickup, and that way, because you know how it is, guys, when you own a shop or you own a scan tool, everybody's your buddy when they need something to go on their truck. I got a check engine light, can you check it out? So yes, I got you covered. But anyway, this is gonna be the new one that we're gonna try to leave in the box, as long as it can outdo that one, and how it compares to the Bosch and the Snap-on. So anyway, check out the links in Amazon. Go pick up one of these, read the reviews. If you got one, tell me what you think about it, and we'll see, because she's ready to go. I'm ready to hook it up. I'm ready to test it out, and that way we can let you guys know how this compares to the others. Thanks for watching, guys. Like always, be sure to hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, check out the Diesel Medic and Koon Trucking merchandise. There's a link to Teespring down there. There's a link to this scan tool in the description. You guys have a great weekend. Thumbs up. Catch you guys later. Y'all have a great one.